Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by creating or selecting a Google Cloud project and enabling billing. This lets you provision storage. Once done, enable the Cloud Storage API and install the gCloud SDK so you can script actions. Make sure to authenticate with gCloud Auth Login and set your project with gCloud config set project ID. Also assign IAM roles like storage admin or storage object admin to your user. This controls who can create buckets and objects and prevents permission errors later. Next, create a bucket in the region that fits your latency and compliance needs. Use gsutil mbl region gs//bucket name to make it. Choose an appropriate storage class, standard for frequent access, nearline/coldline for cheaper infrequent storage, because this affects cost and retrieval time. Once the bucket exists, enable uniform bucket level access, set lifecycle rules for automatic tiering or deletion, and grant IAM roles so applications and users can read or write objects securely and predictably. Finally, upload files with gsutil cp or use the console for drag and drop. You can also use client libraries for programmatic uploads. Once uploaded, control sharing with IAM, object ACLs, or signed URLs for temporary access, and monitor usage with cloud audit logs and storage metrics. If something goes wrong, check IAM permissions first, then verify the bucket region and storage class compatibility. These two issues cause most failures. If needed, enable debug output or consult the operation logs to trace the error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.